Discover the IBM 5100, the world's first portable computer, released in 1975, which weighed 5 pounds and had a 5-inch CRT display, making it a pioneering device in the era of personal computing. The IBM 5100, released in 1975, was the world's first portable computer weighing 5 pounds. It featured a 5-inch CRT display, a significant innovation for its time. The IBM 5100 had a built-in tape drive, allowing users to store and load data. The device ran APL and basic programming languages, catering to both beginners and experts. The IBM 5100 was priced at around $9,000, equivalent to $45,000 today. This pioneering device paved the way for modern laptops, revolutionizing personal computing.
In 1992, Stella Liebeck sued McDonald's for $200,000 after suffering third-degree burns from spilled coffee. In 1992, Stella Liebeck ordered coffee at a McDonald's drive-thru in Albuquerque, New Mexico. The coffee was served at a scorching 190 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 30 degrees Fahrenheit hotter than the industry standard. Liebeck suffered third-degree burns on 16% of her body, requiring multiple surgeries and hospitalization. McDonald's had received over 700 complaints about hot coffee in the 10 years leading up to the incident. The jury awarded Liebeck $200,000 in compensatory damages, which was reduced to $160,000 because of her partial responsibility. The case led to McDonald's reducing their coffee temperature and adding a warning label to their cups.
Join me on a journey through the past, present, and future of drone warfare, highlighting key milestones, technological advancements, and what's to come in this rapidly evolving field. The first drone strike occurred in 2002, killing 6 al-Qaeda operatives in Yemen. By 2011, the US had launched over 250 drone strikes, mostly in Pakistan and Afghanistan. Modern drones can stay airborne for up to 40 hours, with some models reaching speeds of 300 kilometers per hour. Artificial intelligence now enables drones to autonomously detect and track targets, reducing human error. The global drone market is projected to reach $14.1 billion by 2025, with military use leading the way. Future drones may be equipped with advanced sensors, enabling them to detect and counter other drones in. Offshore banking has a shady reputation, and for good reason. Over 30% of global wealth is hidden in offshore bank accounts, worth around $20 trillion. The top 5 offshore banking hubs are Switzerland, Cayman Islands, Luxembourg, Singapore, and Ireland. Money laundering via offshore banking costs the global economy around $800 billion annually. The Panama Papers leak in 2016 exposed over 200,000 offshore shell companies and trusts. Offshore banking secrecy laws make it difficult for governments to track and recover stolen funds. The OECD estimates that tax evasion through offshore banking costs governments around $240 billion yearly. From skincare to hair care, saffron is being touted as a miracle ingredient. Saffron, the world's most expensive spice, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and beauty rituals. Saffron contains over 150 active compounds, including antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, that benefit the skin and hair. Crocin, a key compound in saffron, has been shown to increase collagen production, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Saffron's antioxidant properties help protect the skin from environmental stressors, such as pollution and UV damage. In hair care, saffron is believed to promote hair growth, strengthen roots, and even out skin tone. While saffron shows promise, more research is needed to fully understand its effects and optimal usage in beauty products. In 1999, NASA's Mars Climate Orbiter spacecraft crashed into the Martian atmosphere due to a fuel calculation error. NASA's Mars Climate Orbiter was launched on December 11, 1998, to study Mars's climate and geology. The spacecraft was designed to orbit Mars at an altitude of 140 miles, but it came in 100 miles too low. The error was caused by a navigation team using English units of measurement, while the spacecraft expected metric units. This simple mistake resulted in the loss of a $125 million spacecraft and a significant setback for NASA's Mars program. The incident led to a comprehensive review of NASA's navigation systems and the implementation of new safety protocols. In 2019, a train carrying over 100 houses derailed in Illinois, causing a massive mess. Over 100 new homes were being transported on a train in Illinois on the 21st of June 2019. The train derailed in the town of Elgin, causing a massive mess and chaotic scene. The houses, valued at millions, were being relocated to a new development site in nearby Rockford. Around 20 houses were damaged or destroyed in the derailment, with many more affected. Recovery efforts took weeks, with crews working to right the derailed cars and recover the houses. Most of the recovered houses were eventually relocated to their new site, with construction resuming months later. Watch as koalas face habitat loss and starvation during the 2019 to 2020 Australian bushfires, which burned over 10 million hectares of land. The 2019 to 2020 Australian bushfires burned over 10 million hectares of land, a devastating record. Koalas lost 30% of their habitat in New South Wales alone, leaving them without food and shelter. Starvation became a major threat, as koalas' eucalyptus food sources were scorched, leaving them malnourished. Conservationists rescued over 1,000 koalas, providing medical care and temporary housing. The Australian government pledged $50 million to restore koala habitats and protect their populations. Replanting eucalyptus trees is crucial, as koalas rely on them for 90% of their diet.
From 3 Mile Island to SL1, count down the top 5 most catastrophic nuclear accidents and learn what caused them. The first nuclear meltdown occurred in 1957 at the Windscale facility in the United Kingdom. The SL1 accident in 1961 was the first nuclear meltdown in the United States, causing 3 immediate deaths. The 1979 Three Mile Island accident in Pennsylvania was the most significant nuclear incident in U.S. history, with a partial meltdown. The Chernobyl disaster in 1986 released 400 times more radioactive material than the Hiroshima bomb, contaminating vast areas. The Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster in 2011 was triggered by a massive earthquake and tsunami, causing widespread radioactive leakage.
Discovering the incredible story of a World War II B-17 bomber found remarkably preserved at the bottom of the ocean, with actual footage and interviews. In 1943, a B-17 bomber, nicknamed the Phantom Lady, went missing during a World War II mission. After 75 years, the plane was discovered 4,000 feet underwater, remarkably intact and upright. The aircraft's preservation is attributed to the cold, dark waters and lack of oxygen, slowing decay. The wreckage was found with personal belongings, including a pilot's logbook and a silver ring, still intact. The discovery is a rare find, with only a handful of B-17 seconds remaining from the over 12,000 produced. The Phantom Lady is now a protected historical site, with plans for a future documentary and museum exhibit.